Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back to my mathematics channel. And I pray that you get the help that you need today. For today, we are going to look at exponential equations. And we have an example that we use to illustrate. Remember, the difference between exponential equations and exponential expressions is that you have a quality sign involved. In this case, you are not just simplifying, you are also solving for the values of x or the values of any unknown variable. Now here we have an expression, an equation, solve for x in the following, and we are given the first equation and we have the second equation. We go through them and then we explain any other thing that comes in between here. Now, we have 4 exponent x times 16 exponent x plus 1 equals to 1 over 2 exponent negative 5 divided by all squared. Now, when you have exponents, like I always mention in my previous videos, always reduce the exponents to the lowest possible base. Here we have 4, we have 16, we have 2. If you look at all of them, they can all be reduced to the base of 2. So we start working with that. 4 can become 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x, and 16 can be 2 to the power of 4. Remember, all of them is raised to power x plus 1. And then, for negative exponents, if you have a negative exponent in the denominator, to make it positive, we take it to the numerator. If it was in the numerator, like if we have n to the power of 5 over 2, to make this positive, it becomes 1 over 2 n to the power of 5. So swapping the position changes negative exponents to positive. So we are going to have this 2 to the power of 5 over 1 all squared. 2 to the power of 5 over 1 all squared. Now let's go on and simplify further. This will give us 2 exponent 2x times. Please remember that this 16 belongs to both exponents. So this 4 should also go into both of them. So we have 2 to the power of 4x plus 4 times 1 is 4 equals to 2 to the power of 10. Let's simplify further. We have 2 to the power of 2x. Multiplication here says add the exponents. So we have 2x plus 4x plus 4 equals to 2 exponent 10. Now the next step for exponents, it says that when you have 2 exponents of the same base being separated by an equality sign, the law says drop the basis of the exponent and take the exponent. So we have 2x plus 4x is 6x. We have 6x plus 4 equals to 10. Now we collect items and solve for the unknown. So I have here 6x, and then here I have 10. 4 crossing over to meet its brother becomes negative 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. So x is equals to 1. So solving this equation using the laws of exponents, we get x as 1. Please pay attention and please follow the protocols. Reduce everything to the lowest possible common base, and then use the laws of exponents to multiply into the bracket and add where you have the same basis. When you have the same basis being separated by a quantity sign, drop the basis, take the exponents and solve. So that will give us x equals to 1. Let's look at the second question. To push this through more, let's look at the second question. Now for the second question, we have 81 times 9 to the power of x plus 3 equals to 27 exponent x minus 2. Now if we look at 81, 9, and 27, you see that all of them can be reduced to the base of 3. Remember, the rule is to the lowest common possible base. So this is 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3, 27, 27 times 3 is 81. So this is 3 to the power of 4. This is 3 times 3, that is 9. So we have 3 all squared. But please put this outside the bracket so that we can remember that these 2 belongs to both x and 3. The same applies now. We have 3 to the power of 3, and we have x minus 2 outside because 27 is 3 to the power of 3. Now let's simplify and get rid of the brackets. This is 3 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of this belongs to both of them, 2x plus 6, and then here we have 3x, 3 minus 2 times minus 2 is minus 6. Same approach. Add this. So I have, because of multiplication, laws of multiplication, same base says add the exponents. So I will add like this. I still have 2x, 6 plus 4 is 10. Equals to 3 exponent, 3x minus 6. Now, common base being separated by an equality sign, drop the bases and take the exponent. So this gives us now 2x plus 10 equals to 3x minus 6. We now collect items. So this is 2x minus 3x equals to negative 6. Go over and meet your brother, negative 10. So we have negative x is equals to negative 16. And if we divide both sides with the coefficient of x, x will be equals to 16. So this is how we solve exponential equations. Remember, the rule is reduce it to the lowest common possible base, and then every other thing you apply the laws of exponent that is involved, and you always get the answer to the given variable. Please keep on sharing, follow my pages, and please subscribe to my channels. Don't forget to bring in questions that are troubling you. I'm always here and available to help you. I'll see you.